Okay, so now let's go ahead and get our paddles. And so what we're going to do here now is we're going to drop down here. We're going to add another sprite. So I'm going to search, and actually in here, if we type in paddle, there's one that's already created. So what we can do is we can drag this bad boy over. We're going to go right there. Then we're going to head up here to costumes. And what we need to do is we just need to rotate this guy to actually make it work. So I'm going to rotate him. Try to get it as straight as I can. Perfect. And then I'm going to go back over here to this paddle right there. And I'm going to right click. I'm going to duplicate this. We're going to make this yellow on the inside. Okay, so we got that going, and now what we want to do is move this guy. We're going to start, let's see, let's make that 0. Let's make this guy also start at 0. Perfect. Alright, so now what we want to do is we're just going to rename this one Player 1, and then this one we're going to call Player 2. Alright, so now I think we're in good shape there. And now what we want to do is get these guys to move. For right now, we're eventually going to get this to the Makey Makey, but just till we make sure our code is working. We're going to go when the thing is clicked. We're going to make this a forever block inside. And then motion, what we want to do is have this, we don't need to worry about going horizontally. We want to go vertically up and down. So that's our y-axis, as we can see right here. So we're going to go to our move, and we're going to set y to this, but we want to sense this differently, so we just want to make this the same thing as our mouse. Eventually we'll change this to move with our Makey Makey controls, but for right now this is what we're going to do. And then actually what I'm going to do here, just to make it the same for both right now, I'm going to drag this down to the backpack. And so I can go down here and I can just drag the same stuff. Oh, it's not even in there, is it? Let's try this again here. There we go. So now when we play, they should move. There we go. Now we've got action. So the other problem is that we have is we need to make sure that this potato always starts in the middle when we play each game. And so what we want to do here is make sure that at the beginning it's always going to, in between the forever and the mouse click, we want it to be at 0, 0 right in the middle. So we're just going to go 0, 0. And then that way, when our game is done, it should move it back. There we go.